Good afternoon, students. Last class that we have discussed, we have seen the determiner. Under determiner, we have completed article. There are two types of article: definite article and indefinite article. The articles are the, and then usage and where we have to use the and where we have to use the, and what is definite article, what is an indefinite article, etc. That we have seen in the last class. Today we are going to see same topic, determiner. Under determiners we are going to see demonstrative determiner. So demonstrative determiners are this, that, these, those. Then what is meant by demonstrative determiner? Look at here, determiner, demonstrative determiner are a pronoun that points to a particular noun or to noun it replaces. That means these determiners are going to replace the nouns. Nouns. It also usually comes before a noun or in front of a noun. As you know well about noun, what is noun? If I ask, you will say name of thing, person, place, etc. For example, pen, pencil, car, bike, school, mother, etc. are the best examples for noun. See this, that, these, those. Where we have to use this and that are singular. That means it should be used for singular. These and those are plural form. So this is a singular. For this, plural form is these. That is a singular. For that, those are plural form. And this and these. This should be used when you're talking about nearest things. When you're talking about that and those, it should be not near to us. Instead, it will be little bit far. Just I have given the exercises. I like each of these shirts. Just you can point out here. Shirts, noun. Before I used these, you might be wondering why I have used these. Why can't you use this? Here, shirts are plural noun. So we have to use demonstrative pronoun, or we can say pronoun, that is these. This is one fabulous car. This here one fabulous car. Here I am talking about only one car. That means I am talking about a singular noun. So I should not use plural demonstrative. Instead I have to use singular this. And I am talking about the car which is near to me. It is not far. If it is far, then I can say that car. That car is a fabulous car, which is a little bit far away from us. So that you can use. Next, third exercise you can see, third sentence. God only knows what will happen to these poor children. Here, child is a singular. For child, plural form is children. And when I want to talk about these children, then I used these because noun is plural number. You may be wondering why can't you use those? I used these because I'm talking about the children who are with us, who are near to us. That means they are not far, they are not in a strange place. Instead, they are near to us, so that I use these. Fourth sentence, my bat is better than that of my friend. Here, that indicates bat. I told you here in the definition. This demonstrative determiner, it is used before a noun which points to a particular noun or to noun which it is replacing. Here, that is replacing the noun bat in the sentence. That is replacing the noun bat in the sentence. So, bat, here I used that. I did not use again bat. I can use my bat is better than bat of my friend. I can use, but I did not use. Instead, in order to replace, I have used this pronoun that. Those houses are for sale. Those. Here I am talking about the houses. The houses plural. And I can use these also, but I am talking about the houses which are not near or close to me. It is little bit far. not near, not near to me, so that I used those houses. So these are the similar, these are the brief introduction about demonstrative determiner. Keep in your mind, this, that are singular form. This and these are used when you're talking about the things or noun which is near to us. And these and those are plural form which are not near to us. So these are the demonstrative determiners, or we can say demonstrative pronoun. Now we will see in detail in the class. Just you can listen and you can ask your doubts or hot spots and now and then clarify. Thank you, students.